Look at the sisters keeping you company, huh, Peekaboo? Hi, Dharma. Do you like them, Peeky? Sophia, are you keeping her company? You want to play? Peeky? You want to play? Bubby, don't make trouble. Ooh. Bubby, no troubles, okay? Don't make troubles. Come on, I'll give you some exercise. Come on up here. Come and get it. Good girl. Good girl. Let's go up on the next level. There you go. And the next one. Good girl. Want to go in the tunnel? Let's go in the tunnel. Let's go over here. Come on. Do your steps. Exercise. Exercise. And down here too. Okay, now we go back up. Come on.